Hi darlings, welcome to Simonsays. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as like, share and comment, guys. There is literally 90% of people that come onto my channel but do not subscribe, guys. I really I don't get it. I don't get it. It's free, guys. I know that even watching this video does support my channel, but just hitting that subscribe button as well as liking really helps to put my videos on other people's platforms as well as recommendations, and it really does support my channel, and I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna say really 1,000 times until you guys support, man. Support your girl, please. All right, so if you guys want to stick around and see what this video is all about, stay tuned because I'm getting into it right about now, honey. Boom. All right, let's go, guys. So today I will be sharing how to make your own natural sprays. These sprays can be used for absolutely everything: hairspray, facial spray, toner, linen sprays, your wardrobe sprays, like everything, guys. Even just a room spritzer, anything and everything, and it's all completely natural and super affordable. I'll be showing you guys 2 different recipes as well as options, but I will also mention a few others that you guys can make on your own. I do have my little bottles. I purchased this for 15 rand at Sweethearts. It is quite big and I like it because I will be using this for everything, like I said. So make sure you guys have a spray bottle, and obviously do use it for your own little benefit, but also make sure that you don't make too much. Make sure that you also have smaller bottles, you know, because there are ones that come in even smaller ones like that. And just, yeah, keep in mind what works for you and how often you're going to use it, as well as how will it yeah. All right, guys, so I will basically be getting into natural sprays that you can use for absolutely everything, including hairspray, facial spray, your toner, your room spray, your linen spray, your everything, guys. These are completely natural and so adaptable. You can literally create anything and put it in one of these. And also make sure that it does have a spray bottle that does work so that it can do the little action, as well as have different variants. If you don't want something too big because you know that you're not going to use it that often, make sure you get one that's maybe a bit smaller, whatever works for you. And always make sure to pop it into the fridge just to preserve it, and if not, just keep it for a week and you're good to go. So the first one I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be, okay, so the first one I'm going to show you guys is going to be the lavender one. I've actually shown you guys this one before, but it's quite an old video, so let's get into it. I have my fresh lavender right here, and this is literally taken from my garden. If you guys don't have fresh lavender, please make sure that you pick it up from your local nursery, or maybe just walk around your neighborhood. Maybe there's some lavender in someone's garden, and just take a few, you know, and make sure that it definitely has this, because there are different types of lavender, but this is the one that you want. This is the really great one, and it's super beneficial for your skin. So what you do is you literally have to pick the flowers. So I'm going to start off with these ones. You literally have to pick it apart like that, and then you just put it, you pop it in. I really love these sprays, guys. Like, it's super healthy, smells absolutely amazing, and it also could be a really great gift if you know someone that likes the certain smells. Then go ahead and make it for them, guys. Purchase them a little bottle, put it in a cute little packet, and that's a perfect gift. I know especially like grandmothers and mothers, they would really appreciate this type of stuff. Yeah, guys, and always appreciate your elderly, always appreciate your mothers. Yeah, always. So then I'm just going to take some of this at the bottom, and that comes off a little easier. But that's what you want. That's all that you want, guys. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing with this one. But this one I'm actually just going to use the top half. because that's where the fragrance is. The bottom just helps to preserve it. But yeah, guys, people could also use this for cooking and other things. So I really enjoy lavender. Lavender is a very calming and soothing smell for me. It really does help to relax my mood, as well as it soothes my skin. If you guys didn't know, I'm gonna pop up some benefits for you guys, as well as just Google them for yourself. Hey, like, Google is really a great place to learn and to educate yourself for free. But yeah, guys, even YouTube, just check out some videos. I'm pretty sure that there are others. Okay, so there you have it. And then all I have to do is just add in some distilled water. This, when I say distilled water, it's literally bottled water that has been purified. If you're someone that actually has a purified water tap in their home, you're extremely lucky and privileged. So you can go ahead and just take that from your tap, but it needs to be distilled water. If not, you guys can go ahead and just boil hot water 3 times, let it cool down, and then you pour it into here. So that's exactly what I did right here, right? Because obviously you can go in and buy some water from the shop, but it's just so expensive and so unnecessary. So I just boiled it 3 times and it did the job. So I'm going ahead now and I'm just pouring in. Perfect. And I'm going to leave some room so that we can shake it up a bit. I'm actually going to use the rest of this lavender. Why not? I feel like I'm just wasting, and I don't like to waste, guys. Please do not waste. Wastage is so 2000. Like, come on, guys. We are living in tough times right now, and you need to make the best out of everything. So I'm going to go ahead and just stuff in the rest. Now, guys, here's the trick. We have our water, we have our lavender. Boom. This is the lavender essential oil from Windrose. I'm pretty sure I've used this before on my channel, but if you guys haven't seen this, it roughly goes for about 50 Rand or less. It's available at your discount, and this is basically what's going to help preserve your spray. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And then you generally just need about like 4 to 5 drops. Okay, I did about 7. So be generous, like put what works for you. If you're someone that really likes the scent of lavender, then go ham, put as many as you want. If you're someone that doesn't really like it too much but you like lavender, then this is perfect. 3 to 4 is perfect for you, but I did 7 just because I really like it. And then you just close it up, guys, and you give it a shake. And you will also start to notice that the color of the water will change the longer that you leave it. And that's a healthy sign. It means that it's infusing and everything is good to go. So give it a nice generous shake, you know. You really want to make sure that the oil is blending with the water. Okay, guys, I had to quickly change the lid because that one was not working. And like I mentioned, please make sure that what you're using and the spray part works, unlike me. So let me try it out. Oh, it smells good. Oh, immediately I can smell it. But obviously the longer you leave it, and especially if you put it in the fridge, perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna do. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the last one. This is a bigger bottle because obviously I like this one more, and this is a rose, guys. I love roses. This is also from my garden. Basically what I did is I also let this sit for a while because obviously, you know, there are insects and stuff, so just make sure that all of that stuff is gone. But I'm gonna start off with pinching this. Oh, okay. Clearly all the ants are not gone, but remove. So I take it like that, and then I just slowly start to push each little flower inside. And it's not specifically to this rose type or the color. You can literally take any roses, white, purple, yellow, whatever. And especially pay attention to the scent, because some roses don't have any scents at all, but this one actually does, and I love it, so I love using this. And you can actually also make, it's basically like creating your own rose water. So this is also perfect for toner, especially if you're someone that likes to purchase rose water, because I know it's quite expensive, but now you don't have to. Now you can just create your own. So I'm going to go ahead and add more of my water, my distilled water, guys. Please don't just take this from any tap and think it's going to work for you, especially if you're going to be putting it on your face or on your body. Then please, please, please stick to distilled water. There you go. And then lastly, just like the lavender, we use the rose oil. I know I definitely did mention this one. This is the rose oil brand from Windrose, and it's approximately also under 50 bucks, but it's definitely worth it. And I also have a hard time finding it. I don't know, it's because I recommended it and everybody's buying it, but I don't know. I feel like this one is a lot harder to find. The lavender is usually always available, but Rose, she a tough cookie. So I really like this one, so I'm gonna go in with about, and it's a huge bottle, so I'm gonna do 10. Perfect. Perfect. And definitely also keep in mind the ratio, guys. If you have a huge bottle or a smaller bottle, then you definitely don't need as much, but keep that in mind. And we give this one a good shake. Shake, shake, shake your ass. Shake, shake, shake your ass. Shake, shake, shake your ass. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Perfect. Love to see it. Love it, love it, love it. I love the color. I love it, guys. And please also remember that you can use this for mint. You can literally change it up with whatever you like. If you're someone that likes mint, you can put in some mint with your mint essential oil. You can do the same thing with lemon. If you're someone that likes to use lemon as their toner but wants to actually use it for other things, if you like the smell of citrus, you can do an orange, you can do grapefruit. There are so many different ways that you guys can do this. Whatever works for you, please do take this with a grain of salt, but same ingredients. You put your water, you put your little what do I call it? Yeah, the same ingredients, guys. Water, especially distilled water, not straight from the tap. Distilled water, you put your main ingredient and your essential oil and you shake it up. And if you really want to keep this longer, maybe 2 weeks max, definitely refrigerate, guys. Refrigerate, and the longer you leave it, the more infused it is. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me do a little spritz. Ooh, ooh, honey, this is definitely my favorite, guys. Love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time.